What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. So I did want to try this. We have day-old hair. But anyways, we're gonna try a dry shampoo that I got for free from Influenster. So this is what they sent me, you know, a little FYI card. So it's a Dove dry shampoo with 100% tapioca starch, clean looking hair without water, uplifting orange blossom fragrance. So I'm gonna take a shower, everything, wash my face, and then we're gonna try this. If you use dry shampoo, which one do you use? Let me know. I'm gonna try this one. I've never really used a dry shampoo, so we'll see how everything turns out. Okay, so this is what I look like. She's smelling fresh. Okay, so because we're gonna get it ready first and then we're gonna do the hair, maybe we smells so good. Okay, we're just gonna prep it. Like, we're gonna listen to the instructions, but we're gonna do our own thing. That smells so good. Like, honestly, she might be not washing her. Just kidding, that's a joke. Okay, so let's let that marinate in. Let's moisturize our face, put some makeup on, and get ready for the day, okay? Love it. My everyday go-to is this Mario Badescu, but this one has SPF. So now let's do our eyes. Let's look cute for the day. So I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Orgy palette. I literally love it. Look at that, nudes. I am gonna go in with the Orgy palette. Okay, so I think that's enough eyeshadow. Let's go in with some eyeliner. So I do have two faves. I have Stella and If Your Girl's on a Budget, Wet n Wild. This one doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me. Your eyelid is going to determine whether it works for you or not. If you have oily eyelids, not gonna work. So let's get started. So yes, so we use Wet n Wild because it's just a regular day, nothing special. For fancy days, I do love my Laura Mercier mascara, but just a basic day. So I like to go to the TJ Maxx, Marshalls, whatever's $3.99, which I found this girl, CoverGirl. But I did get this one, this Maybelline. Honestly, I've never seen a little skinny brush do so much. I love it so much. And I just put a little bit. I have long lashes. Look at that, so little, but it does so much. I used to think I needed like a big brush to, look at that, just the lift. And they're not even curled yet, so let them dry a little. All right, let's get changed and do this hair. All right, see you soon. We're gonna cut it in half. Okay, so I told you she's a mother, so I have my little ones in here. Okay, so an L. And then I'll have to comb it through, right? I usually get like, if I get oily, it's like the línea aquí, right? So, wait, am I supposed to put it? Oh, it says to like part también.
Oh, what they're called?
This is dry shampoo.
Why?
Because I didn't wash my hair.
some?
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
It smells good, huh?
Yes.
I actually really like the smell. It doesn't smell like overly chemical-y.
I don't know, so ugly.
It doesn't smell ugly at all. So, I know. And we have a nice little Fisher Price toy, you know, giving us some music in the background. Okay. Let's see. She's looking good. Honestly, it smells so good. Like, I'm shocked. I thought it was gonna be all like chemically. Hold on, one moment. So, así se mira. So cute. Honestly, I like it a lot. Smells good. Doesn't have like a weird kind of spray smell. Let's see how much it costs. Okay, so ahorita you could get this exact same dry shampoo for $5.99 at Target. I do recommend waiting until like Target has like one of those like buy two get $5 off whatever, and always roll your gift cards. But honestly, it's not too bad. Like if you have to go like to work, look, mira, it looks good. It looks good, it smells good, we like it. Alright guys, well thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you liked this review. And if you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!